What is it?
It's my birthday. My mother does. It has complete. Closer than ever before.
And Kenny, your face looks pale. What are you seeing?
The witness of broken vows. He's calling for death, Tobina.
Kenny, let them witness courage as well.
Courage. Courage does not stop blood loving. It is over there.
Your hands just finished preparing the ritual, but your spirit is away from the preparation.
Forgive me, Mother. My body woke before my thoughts gathered.
The body wakes, but visions wake earlier.
I have prepared the chalk, the oil, the leaves, and the firewood for the moonrise.
Preparation is no devotion. Even slaves prepares. You had a dream. Tell me, what did you dream about?
Nothing to bother the shrine.
That is not my question.
I saw a road. I was walking alone. But my shadow was holding another shadow's hand.
Dreams are doors. And some doors are better remained closed.
Can a dream sin, Mother?
Some dreams introduces sin politely. Those beads on your body, they are not mere decorations. They are chains of mercy.
But sometimes mercy feels like rope.
Better a living rope than a dead and buried freedom.
Did I do something wrong?
Not yet, but something is on the way. Wado mimi, wado mimi, wado mimi. Wado mimi, wado mimi, wado kwano mimi.
You this forbidden hunter. The forest keeps you, yet you keep returning to the people who hate you.
Rejection is their property, not mine.
A man without a clan does not speak proudly.
And a tongue without truth should not speak loudly.
One day, you will need this village to save you.
And one day, this village will need courage to realize that I don't deserve this hate.
Mother, may I ask without offense?
Questions has no offenses. Answers do.
What does it mean when people say that the heart becomes hot when someone is near?
It means danger has found a sweetening.
The women at the river, they say that love makes food taste better and the nights shorter.
And the same women cry aloud during childbirth.
Is love always suffering?
Yes, when it falls to the wrong hand.
Have you ever loved before?
Right from when I am a child, yes, I have been in love. The gods love me, and I love them too. That is why I am in their service.
But if the gods made hearts, why forbid what grows inside them?
Because the same fire the gods made for cooking food also is made for burning things to ashes.
And what if the fire refuses control?
Then the ashes that is produced from the flames will teach the flames the lessons it needs to learn.
Mother, was there a festival announced? I am hearing masquerade drums.
Masquerade drums are warnings. Stay within the shrine bounds today.
I always do.
Chidimma.
Yes, Mommy.
Smoke reveals truth to a balanced being. I'll say this again because destiny gives warning before it strikes. You must keep your path untouched by desires.
Mother, you've always said this since I learned words.
And I will keep saying it till my last breath, if need be.
Mother, is temptation stronger than...
Temptation is patient. Without patience, many will fall.
But what if love comes without invitation?
Then conversation should not be granted to the love.
Without even hearing his voice?
Does a man wait for a snake bite or eat spit before he takes to his heel?
No, Mother.
Okay.
Mother.
You are being approached by a choice. When it comes, take to your heels.
How will I know it?
Your heart will reveal it to you. When it does, know it is and run.
Yes, Mother. I admire my fellow maidens. Look at how Adure walks freely. But my heart and hands are tied and bound only to serve the gods.
Look at her. Body neat and steadfast. Every steps weighed. Every word measured. But the gods called her for this, not me. And I'm glad.
Carry stillness like a shield.
And you carry loneliness like a drum. It is loud.
Then you heard me before today.
The village, they speak of you often.
The village speak often without knowing.
Yeah, that is also true.
Then, what do your shrine call you?
Oh,
What do your heart call you?
I do not let it speak. Who are you? I am shrine bound. You cannot block me. I have done nothing wrong. Why are you blocking my path? Okay, come and play with us. Stop standing there like an old man. Come and play with us. Okay, I'll play, but you can't catch me. You can catch you. You can catch me. You can catch me.
I can catch you. Catch you. I can catch you.
Wait. Who's there? Who's standing there? Standing where? Near the tree. Like a masquerade. It's not moving. I see nothing there. Stop playing strange. It's looking at me.
Nkem? What is it?
Something was standing over there.
Standing where? Do you need to say anything? We need to leave now. Nkem, let's go.
Nkem.
Something is wrong with
What is it?
Will it hurt me?
Not if you are strong.
I was afraid. I could not move.
You need to learn. You must.
What if it comes again? What should I do?
Nkem, do not speak to it. Do not look at it. What did I say?
Do not speak to it. Do not look at it.
Good. Let's go inside.
You walk as one carrying load that speaks.
I need the truth, not riddles.
Truths are heavier sometimes. Riddles makes them lighter.
My daughter, she sees what is not there. Today she stood among other children. She said something was watching her. Only her saw it.
How old is she?
12 seasons.
It has started.
What has started?
The choosing.
No. Not her, please. You have to do something. She's my only daughter. She's my only child. Please.
Have you not noticed something unusual? Unusual dreams. Unusual silence. Aloneness. Eyes watching.
I thought it would pass. I prayed it would pass.
What that is following her will not pass. Rather, it will grow.
You have to stop it. Please, you need to stop it.
Some paths are better walked and not stopped.
But she's just a child.
Yet deselected.
What do they want from her?
Services, silence, obedience, and in time to come, sacrifices.
No, I will not allow that. I will not allow it.
When the time comes, you will not be asked.
Mama. Mama is yet to be back. Mama! Let me go and play with other children. She's here again. Don't come close to me. Leave me alone. Mama said
NKEM, listen to me very well. One day you'll be asked to serve. And when that day comes, you should not give your heart to any man.
Why?
Because your heart will no longer belong to you.
Then who will it belong to?
It will belong to something that does not forgive easily.
Mama, I'm afraid.
Fear is good. It keeps you from falling. One day, love will come. And when it comes, remember all that I have told you.
Mama? 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 Mama, please wake up, Mama! Mama! Mama, please talk to me! Mama! Mama, please wake up! Mama! Mama, please wake up! Mama, please talk to me! Mama! 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 Mama, please wake up! Why is she not talking?
She has ended her journey on earth. Your own journey begins.
I'll stay with her. She'll wake up.
You don't have to be in a place where the life of a body has left. Follow me.
Mama. Mama.
Follow me.
I will not go with you. Leave me alone.
Follow me.
Mama. Mama, please wake up. A masquerade that walks without drums. And I am not even afraid to run back. Why did my heart beat faster at the river? Not from fear, but from seeing him. Tibia says, desire is a snake, but why does it feel like warmth? If truly this is temptation, it is gentle. I did not call you.
They say I carry a cause, but my hand makes protection. Strange. I have faced wild beasts fearlessly, but yet One maiden at the river unsettles me. She looked at me without fear. And that is red and gold. I do not know your path, but I will cross it again. Let destiny argue with me later. You walk the path alone, and yet you do not fear the lonely bee.
I walk where duty calls.
And yet the duty leaves room for meeting me always.
You do not. This should not happen.
And yet he does.
I should not, yet I must. I do not serve you. I do not.
So the Shiran maiden now goes to the river at sunset.
The water does not refuse the dedicated.
Men do.
Say what you want to say.
The hunter looks at you like someone who forgot to warn him.
Men looks at anything. Many things.
But not like that, nah.
Oh, you watched closely.
Yes, so I watched danger closely because it saves the village.
Or feeds your jealousy.
Shirai maiden. If you fall, do not say no one saw
And
you
I will
sleeping.
not fall into your hands. Be careful. Be very careful.
Agari owu ebu nke anyị. Akara ndụ na akara udo. Ụwa anyị adị elu. The spirit whispers. The winds bend where it is not supposed to. The heart moves in the path it is forbidden. NKEM, who did you see at the river yesterday? Speak truthfully.
No one. Not that I saw no one at the river bank. I saw the river, the sun, and the shadows.
Shadows are desirable. They speak the truth that the lips chose not to speak. You are being pursued by expectations. Your heart moves to the path. It is forbidden. Tread with caution. Kim.
Yes, ma'am.
akara ụwa ya akata ga-abụ nke ọma, ọ gaghị abụ nke ọjọọ.
This is my hunting outfit.
It is nice.
Thank you. By the way, you came despite what the forest whispered.
I cannot say why. Perhaps curiosity or recklessness.
Or courage. That is rare.
Do you not fear the gods?
I do not fear what is unjust. I only fear what is meant to warn.
Eat again.
What is it? What are you seeing? Who?
Nothing. Just a shadow.
Your hand is warm, but yet heavy with restraint.
And yet I do not pull away.
Then we walk path we are not supposed to. Today, together, I wish to walk you home. Just to make sure that you are safe. But today, I have to hunt.
The shrine forbids. I walk back home alone.
Then take care.
Obina. Antelope.
Look at her. Your feet walk that river path too often for a man who claims discipline.
Water does not walk itself to the shrine.
Strangers do not go there by accident either.
If you have words for me, speak them straight.
Very well then. That hunter looks at you and do not pretend as if you don't.
A man may look, but I am not required to answer the look.
He will not stop looking. Men like that don't stop, they take.
Not every man is like your thoughts are doing.
And not every shrine girl is as clean or pure as their clothes.
Be very, very careful, Adu. Envy speaks louder than the truth. Be very careful!
What kind of tune is this? Why does his voice keep sounding in my ear? What is going on? No. This is not happening. I only meant to drive him away from her. Nothing more. No, Ture. I despise him so much. Yet my heart is yearning for him. No. Adure, no. I can't be falling for you. No, I can't. Men like this are always dangerous to the heart. No. Adure, no. Adure, you can't fall for him. Cannot fall for this hunter. But I am ready. Ha! If one.
Adure, what is the problem?
Amaka, can I ask you this question?
Go on.
Can a woman hit a man and still think of him at night?
But that is not hate. That is nature revenge.
I do not want to succumb to this nature. I don't want to. I don't want.
I can see the thought is all over you. And the door is opened.
Then this particular door, I have to shut it though. I have to close it before I lose myself.
It's all your choice. It's all your choice. You can do whatever you want to do.
Thinking of it alone is a taboo. Well, I have no choice.
I know it is, but it's your choice. So can we continue our journey now?
Okay, fine.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
Have I wronged you?
I cannot remember visiting your hut, Adure. And by the way, why do you want a man you despise so much to visit you?
Then hear this question with a trap. Are you this guided always?
Adure, a hunter who is not guided do not grow old.
And a woman who speaks plainly, does she frighten you too?
I am not afraid of plain words, Adure. But I'm afraid of trap roads.
Then I speak plain. I misjudge you at first. Please, can I know you better? At least this time around, no rumors, no warning.
Knowing must grow slowly like a tree, or it breaks.
Then let it grow slowly. Let it grow slow. I'm not in a haste.
NKEM,
Yes, mother.
the path you walk on is not blessed by the shrine. I can feel it in my bones.
I do what I must, Mother.
The flames burned without the wind. Even the stones and houses were fostered. And the spirits tremble at the choices you make.
I cannot explain.
Okay, let me explain it to you. There is a boy, a man who trails your path, a man who walks by your shadow. Who is he?
No one. No one. Only the sun, the wind, and the river.
Remember, the path for which you are called must be kept as it was supposed to be. Preparations and not devotions.
Yes,
Do
Mother.
not forget.
Yes, Mother.
If you have to choose between a spirit woman and a legal woman, which would you go for?
A heart that answers mine.
Then what if that heart is standing beside you now?
Then I will look into her eyes and know.
I think you should look well.
You are brave indeed.
And you are kind than I ever thought.
Nothing, it's just a surprise.
So, the shrine girl is now dancing and playing around with this ghost hunter. Okay. Let the village witness Let the gods be called. And as for you, disgusting, I will make you regret the day you set your eyes on that girl if you furthermore.
Great priestess!
What brings you to my abode, Adure?
I saw the shrine girl, your daughter, with that hunter at the river.
At the river, you say?
Yes, they were even laughing out loud, holding hands. The worst is that they even follow the path that all the villagers will see them.
Adure, are you sure of what you're saying?
My priestess, I'm very sure. As sure as the God sees us.
Even the spirits murmur. She's not alone in that path. I see. I see.
Oh, look who comes. A silent maiden will now speak with a cursed hunter. Not just speaks. She met him where the trees hides the truth. I think she has eaten the forbidden fruit.
You both are busy with my name. God the man.
This tradition will guide. You broke it. A vowed maiden chasing a cursed man. That's a new kind of liberation to the gods.
Mockery does not turn truth into lie. You both will not decide my fate. He goes closer.
Closer to where? Who are you? Show! I can't see anything. I can't. Closer to what?
To us.
Us?
To me.
You speak as if it will harm me.
It will harm anyone who dares to claim my heart.
Then I will stand!
You do not say such words lightly. Rina, step back.
Listen. I, Obinna, I fear no mask. And I know
this is not a mask. This is an oath and consequence.
Then let the consequences be upon me and not you. I already bear the burden of a cursed man.
Speak brave words for a danger that you cannot see. Obinna, step back! Mother, I have come to you today without pride. without defense. I have kept the rules with my hands and not my heart. I have tried fasting, silence, and even distance, but my thoughts still return to him, like birds to grain. I love obeying my mother. If punishment will come, mother, let it come, but please, I cannot lie before the altar again. Mother, please, free me from this jail. I beg.
Do you understand what you confess with that mouth? You trespass, not just with missing prayers or touching the forbidden food, but allowing your heart walk in the path you're forbidden.
Mother, I know very well. Even when I'm asleep, I know. But mother, please, is there no cleansing? Is there no mercy?
Mercy exists, but not escape. The vow you bound yourself is an edged blood vow. And when broken, blood purifies.
Whose blood? Mother, whose blood?
Your blood, or the blood of the one you love most.
We have little time. I went to the shrine and told her everything. The Lord has spoken.
Stand still. Relax. Speak slowly. Your fear is running ahead of your words.
Lord must answer for loving you, either mine or yours. This is no rumor. This is decree, Obina. What should we do?
Then let them take me. I will not hide behind you.
No! Do not speak of death so easily. We need to find another solution. There must be a solution.
There is only one path left. And that path is not gentle.
Nothing left is gentle. Say it.
NKEM, if you carry my child, then your body becomes a mother ground and not a shrine ground, and the vow loses its claim.
You asked me to cross fully and never return. Is that what you're asking of me?
No, NKEM.
What are you saying?
I only ask you to live and not to die obediently.
I will let a life go. And I will not choose fear over the truth.
What have you done? The womb door is opened. Now we shall await the payment of the debt. Uwado Mimi. Uwado Mimi.
What is it?
She's my birthday. My mother does. It has concrete. Closer than ever before.
Ankemi, your face looks pale. What are you seeing?
The witness of broken vows. She's calling for death, Sobina.
Ankemi, let them witness courage as well.
Courage. Courage does not stop blood loving. It is over there.
Let the blood of the young not be cut out for loving. Instead, let the old root dry up. I have been eating this shrine salt for many years. And my blood is pure enough for the sacrifice. I cannot bury my child. Instead, let the child bury her mother. I shall exit, but not forever. But to come back as a child again.
You should not die for my heart. I was the one who disobeyed you. Mother, where are you? Where are you? You're not good, Mother. Mother, you're coming back. Mother, please, where are I was the one who disobeyed the rules. I swear by the gods that if you come back, I will never disobey you. Mother, please, where are you?